So today we have some Wingstop wings right here. And I also have some white rice. I don't know, I just do not like Wingstop sides. The fries do not taste good at all, and I'm scared to try anything else. So, yeah. But anyways, we gonna go ahead and eat some food, okay? Cause I'm starving. I didn't eat anything today, okay? I've been too busy looking at TikTok videos so I can see what I can do next on my TikTok channel. So yes, I have a TikTok if you don't know, so go ahead and follow me at Taija G, Taijagee, okay? So yeah. Anywho, so I asked them for this special I was asking for extra sauce, but they gave me the buttery kind. I was looking for the dry one, but whatever. I'm just happy they gave me something. And I also have the regular hot sauce, hot style. Then I stole one of my mom's lemon pepper. This is really good. Now I'm pretty sure those big food chains like not Big Lots, what is it? Sam's Club and BJ's have food there. But I don't have a membership for that, so my main source is really like Walmart or Publix. And every time I try to order online, they don't have anything. Like the cart just keep pushing it out. I'm like, really? So far I'm able to get like corned beef and not even rice, like corned beef and some shrimp. I can't get any hamburgers. But yeah, that's all I've been able to get. Every day I go on and I add more stuff. So far I only have like a lot of juice. But anyways, I am a stay-at-home mom, and I am a introvert, so I'm always home anyways. But actually, it being a lockdown just made me like want to do more. So yeah, I've been taking the time to go on TikTok and do videos because I love to dance. Some people don't know that about me, but I've been dancing since I was a little girl, and for some reason I stopped. And I don't know why when I left to go somewhere else, because I could have been a professional dancer, and now the dance moves are getting crazy. But anyway, y'all, I've been talking too much. I got to eat my food. This rice is the parboiled. I'm used to cooking the other one. I think it's okay. I hate biting into it. I don't know why. I've always been that person to rip up the chicken and not bite, but I be doing the most. Who raised you? Why you always my lip? Just put my mouth. But for real though, had this COVID-19, how's it been doing for you guys? Like, are you guys getting closer with your family, or too good. Well, I also like to bake too, so you guys will see some nice, cool stuff on here. Just let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see, and if you made it this far, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Help us to get to 300 subscribers. I have been at 290 for a while, so help me get to 300 subscribers, and I will do like a $5 gift card or to Amazon or Target, your choice. Get me to 300 subscribers. For real, y'all. I'm a napkin. Get me to 300 subscribers. Oh, that water tastes so good. So yeah, I did my water thing. So the best water to me right now is Fiji. So I actually like that water the most, honestly. I tried Life Water, I tried Smart Water. I did another one's a big tall bottle VOXBOX. I got all of them because I want to compare like which one is really the best, and right now it's Fiji. Good. But it's not at Walmart, you know. Honestly, at Publix and I buy it sometimes, but usually only buy it when I go to the store. Like if I go to the gas station to get something, I will buy Fiji water. Or I'm gonna start either buying it online because they're really good. All this stuff, all this other food I be eating, I could replace that for some Fiji water because it's really that good. Like it's worth the $2.39. I'm just saying. I really want to get into the whole prank war, but I'm so scared. I'm scared they're gonna beat me up in here, y'all. I'm scared. But right now, I like cooking and dancing. I'm stuck to that. I also like to recreate reality TV shows or something funny. So you will see that on my channel. I also do reviews on here. I would love a gaming channel with my son, but I don't know how to do it as of right now. Look, like the food's so good. My shirt eating the food. I mean, why is my shirt eating the food? That don't make no sense. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Give me to 300 subscribers, okay? I love you all to the moon and back. Yeah, okay, you're welcome. But yeah, I I do like these mukbangs, y'all, because I love to eat. These are food. I just love food. I'm sorry. But I am a part of a company, Simply Joanne. So if you want your natural juices, y'all, organic, natural, sweet taste, order our juice, y'all. Order it. Order Simply Joanne on Instagram or Facebook. Go to our website. It will be on our Instagram link. Order you guys a cleanse. I always drink the kale blaster for my low iron. You guys could do it for weight loss. We have cleansers. We have detox tea. Y'all better order. Okay.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open here. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, here. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.